Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haka sauterik menta unai luar. Kawai niki company ke penyak yau yaki kali jong company Mahindra. Kebahakan dengan nombak Shillong, kalayak ban pelat ba ya kawai ke kali ke barang permit temai dak ni company. Ya ke belatep kum ke Mahindra Marazzo. Ya kani ke kali la pelat ba hak jelang ke balalong ha showroom jong kani ke company ke belatep kum ke Serpai Automotive Mahindra. Keberan hapok maulai mauyong rem. Da wai niki he jong kani ke company na ke Mahindra Sales Northeast. Bhopen Kumar ringkat ke jiran lang Senior Environmental Engineer jong ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ubak WR Kharkrang President jong ke FKGGP Maulai Circle ubak Marbot Khar bat kiwai de kentop lu yaki ba nakani ke company. Kador jong ke Mahindra Marazzo kasdang nadu shipho lak tam chaneng bat kakut hadu kasan lak tam tingka bat kani ka kali temai kadon hadu neutly ki model bat dan na plan jong ki kibran neutly ki seat bat dan ru kibran pratli ki
This is the shark inspired vehicle. One of the beast which we call of the shark is one of the dangerous beast. What we believe that with Mahindra Marazzo will be ruling the roads. If you can see the design of this vehicle has been inspired by the shark. If you see the front grille, you see the teeth of the shark reflects over there. We have a shark fin over the back of the vehicle, and we have 11 patents in the vehicle, and this has been outcome of the technological interventions by the Pininfarina, MRV, and at the same time the MANA, who is in North Mecca. There's a research center in Mecca. So this has been a great outcome of those technical interventions. We have a beautiful vehicle. It's one of the very plush interiors you can see inside the vehicles. For the first time we have a chassis based vehicle with front wheel drive, so that's a kind of unique stuff we have with Marazzo. And if you can see inside the AC vents, you can see that the surround cool, that again first in class kind of stuff which is there. And we have projected headlamps, we have DRLs with the fog lamps, which is again first in its kind of vehicle stuff. So overall, if you see that the package is very wonderful, and we are launching in 4 variants. It's M2, M4, M6 and M8, and the price 9.99, and we have a very aggressive finance scheme with this, and very aggressive exchange scheme, and I really believe that this product will rule the roads of Meghalaya.